Published in 2012, The Power of Habit quickly became a bestseller in the self-help genre. In it, the author Charles Duhigg investigates how habits work and how we can transform them to improve our lives. The book is divided into 3 main parts. Part 1, The Habit Loop. The first part explains the structure of habits and how they form in the brain. Duhigg states that every habit goes through a habit loop with 3 elements. Cue, a signal that tells the brain to initiate the habit, which can be internal or external. Routine, the action itself, the automatic part of the habit after receiving the cue. Reward, the benefit that our brain associates with the habit. This is what keeps it going. Understanding this mechanism allows us to modify habits by changing one of these elements. Part 2, The Habits of Successful Organizations. The second part shows how companies use knowledge about habits to motivate employees and retain customers. For example, Starbucks trains employees to turn routine orders into rituals. This creates emotional rewards and memorable experiences. Companies identify purchase triggers and use them at the point of sale to create habits in customers. Organizational cultures are sets of shared habits. Leaders shape these habits to align teams. Part 3, The Habits of Successful Individuals. The third part focuses on how individuals can recognize harmful patterns and adopt better habits. Identify the reward behind bad habits to replace it with healthy rewards. Have a clear plan when changing a habit. Define substitute cues and rewards. Change your environment to create appropriate cues and avoid temptations. Find a support group with similar habits to the ones you want to acquire. Start small and focus on creating daily routines that reinforce new habits. Throughout the book, Duhigg narrates inspiring cases of individuals and companies that managed to promote significant habit changes. He shows that it's never too late to transform entrenched behaviors with which we are unsatisfied. In summary, The Power of Habit combines science and compelling stories to demonstrate that habits drive much of our lives. By understanding and redirecting our habits, we can become more productive, healthier, and happier. My review. This book helped me understand why some changes are so challenging while others are easier. By demystifying the mechanisms behind habits, Duhigg empowers us to truly take control of our routines and achieve any goal. The reading is engaging from start to finish, offering valuable insights backed by research and inspiring examples of ordinary people. I recommend it to anyone seeking to understand their behavioral patterns and transform them for the better. If you are also intrigued and inspired by the lessons presented in The Power of Habit, I invite you to leave your like, share your thoughts and opinions about the book in the comments. Share if you enjoyed the read and what you learned from the explored ideas. Be sure to share with your friends so they can benefit from this valuable information as well. Every like, comment, and share contributes to spreading these transformative insights to a broader audience. Together, we can use this knowledge to enhance our lives and achieve our goals. Thank you for being a part of this enriching discussion.